Right. So today we're going deep on leadership,
Yeah, we are.
and in particular, uh, this Leadership Masterclass for emerging leaders.
Oh, this looks interesting.
Yeah, and I think it's going to be especially interesting for people like our listeners who are, constantly trying to better themselves and learn new things.
Yeah, and this is framed really interestingly as a journey. Not just like, here are the 5 things you need to do to be a leader.
Right.
It's like an actual journey of self-discovery and intentionality and impact, which is really cool.
Yeah, and it's cool that we get this kind of like inside look, I guess you could say, like a sneak peek into this program based on this outline we have here.
Sure.
And it's set up in this really cool way. It's a 12-month program broken up into 3 modules. The first one's called Understanding Leadership and Self.
Mm-hmm.
Then we've got Leading Others. And then the final one is Leadership in a Global Context.
I really like how they've got this progression. It's like you start with yourself, then you go on to working with others, and then finally branching out and making a global impact.
Exactly.
So it's like this really thorough approach. I like it.
Yeah. And so, okay, let's jump into the first module then. Understanding Leadership and Self. And there's this question in here that really jumped out at me. And it's, why should anyone follow you?
Whoa.
I know. What do you think about that?
That's really getting down to the nitty-gritty, right? It's not about buzzwords or anything. It's really making you think, okay, what makes people follow someone? Is it their vision? Is it charisma? Is it integrity? All of the above.
Right, or some combination.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think this program really pushes you to figure out what your own authentic leadership style is. So in the next section, Leading Others, I thought it was really cool how they focused on developing team members into leaders themselves.
Oh, yeah. That's huge.
It's not just about like you being the one leader at the top.
Yeah, it's like you're spreading the love.
Right, exactly.
You're creating more leaders, which is really what we need in the world, right?
Exactly. And I think about someone like Nelson Mandela, who was really good at empowering other people. And that's part of what made him so successful.
Totally.
So yeah, this module's all about giving you those skills to inspire other future leaders, not just manage people, but create more leaders.
I like it.
And then the last module here is Leadership in a Global Context.
Okay.
And what I thought was really interesting here is that they have you actually create and develop a sustainable community project. So it's not just about, sitting in a classroom learning theory.
Right.
They actually have you go out and apply what you've learned.
Yeah, that's a big thing with this whole program, it seems like, is that it's very experiential.
Yes.
They want you to actually learn by doing, which makes so much sense to me.
Exactly.
Like, you can read all you want about swimming, but until you get in the water, you're not actually going to learn.
Exactly. Yeah. And you never know what you're going to encounter when you get in the water.
Right. Exactly.
Okay. One other thing that really jumped out at me here was that there are no exams.
Really?
Yeah. Instead, they focus on reflective essays and like team activities and stuff.
That's a really interesting approach.
I know. I think it sounds a lot less stressful than an exam.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And a lot more engaging.
Yeah. I mean, it really seems like this program is designed to be, something that you reflect on and you're always learning and you're collaborating with other people. It's not just memorizing facts.
Yeah. And before I forget, the person who's actually leading this whole thing is Adiola Akintoye.
Okay.
And just from everything I've read, it seems like they're incredibly experienced and really passionate about leadership.
That's so important, right? To have someone who is not just knowledgeable, but also has that fire, right? That passion for it.
Yeah, you can tell this isn't just some cookie cutter program.
Yeah,
There's a real heart behind it.
Yeah.
So I think to sum this all up, it seems like this Leadership Masterclass is really for anyone who feels that leadership spark inside them. Whether you're just starting out or you've been doing it for a while and just want to kind of refine your skills.
Totally. And make a bigger impact.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So it's definitely worth checking out.
Yeah, I think this program brings up a really interesting question.
Okay.
What kind of leadership does the world need today? What kind of challenges are out there that need our attention?
Right.
And how can we as leaders step up and help?
Yeah, that's a good one to think about. And if you want to learn more about this masterclass, you can actually find all the information on Adiola Akintoye's website.
Okay.
That's adiolaakintoye.com.
All right.
That's definitely worth checking out.
Yeah, it is.
All right, that's it for today. See you next time.
See ya.